Fire activity on the Eastern Shore remains limited, so will we see activity increase as the weather improves? It's Friday, March 6, 2026. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, your go-to real estate resource in Maryland. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Is there a realistic chance for increased buyer activity for the Eastern Shore of Maryland? Short answer is yes, but selectively, not broadly. Buyer activity is likely to increase in targeted segments and specific submarkets, not uniformly across the Eastern Shore. Now, the Eastern Shore offers something that's becoming harder to find: space, waterfront access, quality of life, and lower cost of living with a lower cost of housing. Why does limited activity exist right now on the Eastern Shore of Maryland? Historically, the Eastern Shore has a lower median household income compared to Central Maryland. It has an aging homeowner demographic, higher rates of owner-occupied properties, significant second home ownership in waterfront areas, and fewer large employment centers. The most active buyer segments are equity-rich retirees, hybrid professionals earning Central Maryland incomes, and lifestyle-driven second home buyers. Areas like Queen Anne's County continue to benefit from proximity to the Bay Bridge, making the area especially attractive for commuters and remote workers. Meanwhile, Talbot County remains strong in the luxury and waterfront segment because many of those buyers are less mortgage rate sensitive and more lifestyle focused. What's limiting activity isn't necessarily affordability across the board, it's uncertainty and the nature of the Maryland Eastern Shore. However, if rates stabilize and hybrid work continues, I believe we will see increased momentum. Now, Dorchester and Caroline counties are more limited by the lower median incomes, fewer amenities, and a greater distance from high-paying employment. Though buyers priced out of the Queen Anne's or Talbot counties may seek more affordable options in either of these counties. But price sensitivity and rising gas prices could curtail commuters relocating too far from employment hubs unless hybrid work opportunities exist and there is access to high-speed internet, which is a challenge on the Eastern Shore. Inventory of homes for sale rose slightly 2% to 1,854 units and at a median $399,000. These have been active for a median 99 days. 142 homes will be coming to the market at a $459,450 median list price. 164 homes went under contract this report. These went under contract in 44 days and the median list price was $359,900, a lower median list price than last report. 38 homes sold, which was a 41% rise over last week and in 54 days at 97.7%, and the median was $419,000. Rentals are holding at 155 units with the median monthly rental rising to $2,200 per month. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, March 6th, 2026. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, and I'll see you next week. Take care.